Omukoro gwa reunion ahabwa ishomero rya St Michael High School mu Rugazo mu Rubirizi gubire kugenderire kurundana sente zo kombeka echombeko echa administration block hamwe na classroom.
Most of you are born from very poor families. I know them, but I would want to tell you, parents who are here, you students, that you should not despair. Once you work very hard and you respect your motto, that through education you can be victorious, you'll be winners.
All you have to do, have confidence in yourself. Know you can do it. Yes, you can. That's what Obama used to say. Listen to what the teachers are saying. And you say, Nanye, Nimbasakura, Nibakaturebe, Katureba Kabge.
Abeegi, bashabirwe kwekunda.
Kurugaha, umwama gundaha, nindi sembuzi nyabitaro, ukaba Chief Justice wa Uganda. Why, you know, abantu bakamba tugaye mnonga. In Chamuka, aba China, bakanyakira bakampereza expert committee of the International Commercial Court. A British charity called the Spotlight in Africa. Erione ya mbebe ntumbaruka. Bakankora patron wabo nkabaleta St Michael Headmaster Mejuka. And they have told me they are impressed with this school. They are looking for a donor who will come and help us.
Barinyenka Bonifenso watembwira ishomero nka headmaster okubanza atugambire mbera nko kuyabireri.
There is almost nothing to talk about in terms of infrastructure, instructional materials, resources, mention it. What was available then was an overwhelming desire by the people of Nyaruguru to have a secondary school at Rugazi Parish.
But as Cadet Benjamin, I'm pledging 3 million shillings. And then for the students, I want the teacher to buy for you meals tomorrow. I'm giving you 1.5 million cash.
Bakuru bishomerere basimira bashomera hishomereri ahubwo kwijuka hibarugire.
Akizimbe cyitandukire project ya yishomero kirumu soza kwa miliyoni arada biliyoni 3 na miliyoni 5.
Abo kwita tukire tukikaho bwire bukaburumbi so ntwiza kubinspiringa okunagambo mu rurimo ruce kugira ngo nabo babasa kutureberaho kandi tubakwatire.
Because the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Nkeminyeto binekurebuka ngu bahurikiza abazire kandi bashome bitabo byabo kandi no mukanangwa kuba bayikomuka bagire mirimo bibakora kugira ngo baguma bari active.
Ishomero rya St Michael High School Rugazi rukatanduka mwaka gwa 1998 na gumuhamusinje gwekerezia na bwanyuma ryija ryazo mukono ya government kandi ubwahatiriye n'abana bari kurenga mu 10. Amakuraga gashako Nesmas Ndyanabo.